This guy scammed KFC for an entire year. No coupons, no rewards points, just pure confidence. A 27-year-old student in South Africa walked into KFC restaurants pretending to be a food inspector from headquarters, claiming he needed to test the chicken. The employees completely believed him, handed over free meals, and even watched him eat while he nodded like Gordon Ramsay judging a cooking show. Somehow this worked for almost a full year, until one tiny problem showed up. The real KFC inspector walked into one of the same restaurants. Once KFC realized what had been happening, they warned their other locations and set a trap. The next time he showed up for another inspection, the police were waiting instead of the chicken.